In this video, we're going to look at the Inventory tab so you can see how you can create the inventory as part of your appraisal formatted the way you want it. There's a great deal of flexibility in how your inventory looks. To do that, we're going to use different columns and select the columns and the order we want them to appear. During the course of this video, I'm going to select a couple different columns, show you how they can be used, and show you the end result. For the first one, I'm going to select lot number, thumbnail, description, and appraisal value 1. So this particular report will have 4 different columns. Now you can rename the headers to be whatever you'd like. I'm going to change lot number to item number, and I'm just clicking on it. Lot thumbnail to photo, lot description to item description, and I'll change the lot appraisal value to orderly liquidation value, or OLV. Once we have these columns set, we're ready for the next part, which are the available options. The options include the thumbnail size. That can be set to anything. We'll do 100 by 100 to start. The font size, which can be either increased or decreased from the standard. Also, how you want to sort the items. You can sort by category and then appraisal value 1 from high to low, category and then item number, or item number not including category. For the first one, we'll just do item number. Finally, the size of the thumbnails in the photo index. If you're using a photo index, you can alter the size of the thumbnails that appear in there, as well as whether or not you want to include the first photo again in the photo index. The first photo will appear with the items in the inventory section. So with this, I'm going to save this report and we'll take a look at what the inventory looks like. So this is the inventory section for this particular appraisal. We can see our item number, photo, item description, and OLV are included at the top as headers. So that's one example. Let's change some of the settings and see how it's affected. Back on inventory, we're going to change the thumbnail size to 250 by 250. And instead of sorting by item number, we're going to sort by category and then appraisal value number 1. Let's save this and see how it looks. Back on the inventory, we can see the thumbnails are much larger and the item numbers are now in OLV value from highest to lowest. Let's try one more and add a second value to the appraisal. Back on the Inventory tab, we are going to add appraisal value 2. And we're going to call this one forced liquidation value. And I want this to appear before orderly liquidation, so I can actually drag these and reorder them. So now we've added a second value. I'm going to go ahead and save. Let's make the thumbnail a little smaller, 125. And we'll sort this one by appraisal value. Tell you what, we'll sort this one by item number. So we'll save this and see what it looks like. Here's a list of the individual items with our latest inventory setup. We have our item numbers 1 through 4 and both a forced liquidation value and orderly liquidation value listed in the report. Let's do one more without a photo. Back on the inventory page, and we'll just show you the process one more time, we're going to select the columns in whatever order we want them to appear. I'm going to select lot number, description, appraisal value 1, and appraisal value 2. I'm going to change the header by clicking on each one here. Item number, description, FLV, and OLV. I'm going to go ahead and save it, and we'll see what it looks like without a photo. Back on the individual items page, we can see that there's no photo included with the items now. This is a brief overview of the inventory section in Appraisal Builder Pro. Understanding what some of these other fields can do will be explained in the cataloging section as you build your inventory. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.